To control permissions and delegate users, click on Security Policy on the bottom center of the ControlUp console. Once you're in the Security Policy pane, go to the Home tab and click on the Manage Roles button. By default, the first user to log into ControlUp in your Active Directory becomes the owner and roles manager. The best practice is to change the default user to a group of users. You do this by clicking on the button with 3 dots in the New Owners field. Choose the group you want for this job. Do the same for the Roles Manager field and click OK, then Apply to save the changes. Now you can begin creating new roles. In this example, we create one role for sysadmins and one for help desk staff. You can now change permissions as needed from Not Set to Allow. To continue with this example, we allow help desk users to RDP to computers. To delegate this permission, you click on the desired folder, choose under the Run Computers Action section the RDP to computer permission, and change permission from Not Set to Allow. In addition, you can allow the help desk to use shadowing for remote control of specific computers. Under Run Session Actions, go to the Shadow permission and change to Allow. After delegating permissions, be sure to press Apply on the top left Home tab to save the changes. It is recommended to follow these steps when delegating permissions within ControlUp.